Imagine waking up each morning feeling an unstoppable surge of energy, ready to attract wealth and opportunities effortlessly. It might sound too good to be true, but the secret lies in something straightforward: the words you speak. The words we use have the power to shape our mindset, beliefs, and reality. By incorporating certain words and phrases into our daily language, we can raise our vibration, cultivate positivity, and bring joy and abundance into our lives. Today, we are coming with powerful words, tested and proven by countless individuals to elevate your vibration and transform you into a magnet for money. Stick around until the end of the video, and I will show you the words, how to use them, how applying this method can bring you the life you've always wanted, and why so many have found it to be an astonishingly effective manifestation technique. Words. We use them every day, often without a second thought. But have you ever paused to consider the true power of language? The words we choose to use not only communicate our thoughts and ideas, but they also shape our reality and affect our vibrational state. This is where the magic of language comes in. By intentionally selecting words that raise our vibration, we can transform our lives, our thoughts, and our emotions. Raising your vibration is the cornerstone of this transformative method. Neville Goddard, a pioneering thinker in the realms of self-help and metaphysics, understood that our words hold immense power and directly influence our vibrational frequency. Think about how often you casually say things like, "I'm broke," or "I can't afford that." These phrases, though seemingly harmless, actually lower your vibrational state, locking you into a mindset of lack and scarcity. But what if you could flip the script? Goddard's teachings reveal that by consciously choosing our words, we can elevate our vibration and reshape our reality. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about tapping into the deep, transformative power of language to raise your vibration and change your financial landscape. Imagine the impact of just a few tweaks in your vocabulary. Before we dive into the specific words that can raise our vibration, it is essential to understand the importance of language in our lives. Language is not just a tool for communication. It is a reflection of our beliefs, values, and experiences. Our words have the power to create or destroy, to heal or to hurt. The words we use can either elevate or lower our vibration, depending on the frequency of the words and the intent behind them. Everything in the universe, including us, vibrates at a specific frequency. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions all emit a unique vibrational frequency. When we use words that resonate at a higher frequency, we can raise our vibration and align ourselves with a more positive state of being. Conversely, when we use words that resonate at a lower frequency, we can lower our vibration and attract negative experiences into our lives. The words we use can also affect the vibration of those around us. When we speak positively and intentionally, we can uplift and inspire others. On the other hand, when we speak negatively or with malicious intent, we can lower the vibration of those around us and create a negative environment. So, what are these magical words that can turn you into a money magnet? The secret lies in a select few phrases that carry high vibrational frequencies and can significantly elevate your energy. Before revealing these specific words, it's essential to grasp the principle behind this practice. Your thoughts and words must reflect the state you desire to achieve. This isn't just positive thinking, it's about embodying the frequency of wealth. When you consistently use language that resonates with abundance, you align yourself with the energy of prosperity, making it easier for wealth to flow into your life. Neville Goddard's teachings remind us that the subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, and that the words we repeatedly tell ourselves can either limit us or set us free. By consciously choosing affirmations such as, "I am wealthy," "I am prosperous," "Money flows to me easily," and "I am a magnet for money," you begin to reprogram your subconscious. These words act like seeds planted in the fertile ground of your mind. Just as a garden flourishes when tended with care, your thoughts and beliefs will grow and manifest into your reality. Consistently nurturing these thoughts with positive, high-vibration language encourages your mind to align with these affirmations, transforming your mindset and financial situation. Furthermore, incorporating phrases like, "I deserve abundance," "I attract financial opportunities," and "my wealth is constantly increasing" can strengthen this practice. Each statement is a powerful declaration of your desired state, reinforcing the belief that you are already in possession of the wealth you seek. The more specific and vivid these affirmations, the more effectively they resonate with your subconscious, helping you to internalize and manifest these beliefs in your daily life. It's also beneficial to include gratitude-based affirmations, such as, I am grateful for the wealth I have, and I appreciate the financial abundance in my life. Gratitude elevates your vibration even further, making you more receptive to attracting wealth. These affirmations, when combined, create a robust framework for raising your vibration and aligning with the frequency of abundance. By immersing yourself in this high vibrational language, you essentially program your mind to expect and accept financial prosperity, making it an integral part of your reality. The moment of revelation has arrived. The powerful words that Neville Goddard recommended to raise your vibration and attract money are, I am. These two simple yet profound words are declarations of your current state of being. When you affirm, I am wealthy, I am abundant, or I am prosperous, you are not merely speaking, you are commanding your subconscious mind to align with these truths. These affirmations create a mental and emotional state that resonates with wealth and abundance. It's important to understand that the words following I am become your reality. This is why Goddard placed such a strong emphasis on using positive affirmations. They help reprogram your mind and reshape your perception of yourself and the world around you. Let's take this chance and send a powerful, high vibration message to the universe and affirm by writing it down in the comments section. I am open to receiving all the good that the universe has to offer me. Now let's talk about a really critical part of our method: how to exactly use these words to get the maximum benefit. To fully harness the power of the Goddard vibration method and elevate your financial situation, it's crucial to understand not only which words to use, but how to use them effectively. Let me guide you through a comprehensive, step-by-step approach to maximize the impact of these high vibrational words in your daily life. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Establishing a morning ritual that incorporates high vibrational affirmations is essential. Begin each day by standing in front of a mirror, making eye contact with yourself, and confidently declaring your I am statements. These should include affirmations like, I am wealthy, I am financially free, I am a money magnet, and money flows to me easily. Say each statement with conviction, as if it were already your reality. This practice not only boosts your confidence, but also ingrains these beliefs into your subconscious mind. While stating your affirmations, engage all your senses. Feel the excitement and gratitude as though you already possess the wealth you desire. Visualization is a powerful tool here. Picture yourself living a life of abundance, seeing yourself in your dream home, driving your ideal car, or enjoying luxurious vacations. The more vividly you can imagine these scenarios, the more effectively you will align your vibration with the frequency of abundance. Repetition is key when it comes to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Integrate your affirmations into your daily routine, making them a natural part of your life. Repeat your affirmations during routine activities like brushing your teeth, commuting, or exercising. This constant reinforcement helps solidify these beliefs in your mind. For example, during your commute, instead of listening to the radio or scrolling through social media, take this time to repeat your affirmations. If you drive, say them out loud. If you use public transportation, you can whisper them or repeat them in your mind. The goal is to immerse yourself in these high vibrational words throughout the day. A vision board is a powerful visual tool that can help reinforce your affirmations. It's a collage of images, words, and quotes that represent your financial goals and the life you aspire to live. Creating a vision board allows you to see your goals and desires in a tangible form, making them more real and attainable. To create a vision board, gather magazines, printouts, or drawings of images that symbolize wealth and prosperity to you. Include words and phrases from your affirmations, such as wealth, abundance, and financial freedom. Place your vision board somewhere you will see it daily, such as your bedroom, office, or bathroom. Spend a few minutes each day looking at your vision board, reinforcing your affirmations, and visualizing yourself living the abundant life you have depicted. The next thing I personally consider the most powerful thing in the whole process is writing your affirmation down. That's what I asked you earlier, to take the chance and write them down in the comments section. Writing your affirmations down can significantly enhance their impact. Keep a dedicated journal for your affirmations and financial goals. Each morning and evening, write down your I am statements, along with any other affirmations that resonate with you, such as, I attract financial opportunities, and my wealth is constantly increasing. Journaling not only reinforces these beliefs, but also helps you track your progress and reflect on your journey. Over time, You will be able to look back and see how far you have come, which will further boost your confidence and belief in the power of your words. Now it's your turn to give it a shot. Share your experiences with this technique. I'd love to hear about them. If you're interested in other Neville Goddard techniques, don't forget to check out my channel for more content. See you in the next video.